Here's the problem with teams that nobody is actually talking about, but you all know. You don't get to pick your team. When teams get thrust together, they don't talk about how they're gonna work. They just start working. And that's a step that so many teams miss. So most companies think that you can take a group of talented, well-meaning individuals, put them on a team, and that they're just gonna be successful. But the reality is, most teams don't work because they're a patchwork of individuals who are thrust together, who don't know what's expected of them, and don't know how to contribute their best to the mission. What if all teams are made up of people who know what winning looks like and how they contribute to that win? That's the power of designed teaming, making a team that you didn't pick work. Let's go make it work, okay? Y'all ready to go? All right, let's go. You can find your seats. So this is what we typically find in the default team. It's undefined success. There's accidental accountability. There's just kind of assumptions on who's gonna do what. There's invisible strengths, and then what I love to call strategic hope. Has anyone ever worked on a default team? Okay, so we've all been there. So let's enter the simulation right now. Let's work as a team. Welcome back. I'm the CEO. You're gonna be briefing me on what your decisions are. Anybody getting money? So just by show of hands, I'm curious. How many would you say that from beginning to end, it was smooth sailing, perfect? Liars. Now think about the best team you ever worked on. High-performing teams have these three things in common. They define what winning means. Then they decide how they're gonna actually work to achieve the win. And then they design the work based on the talents of the people on the team. Anybody up for a competition? 3, 2, 1, go! So how did that feel? Challenging, uncomfortable. When we try to be something we're not, it's like trying to use your non-dominant hand to write. You could try to learn, but why would you want to? Our parents lied to us. You can't be anything you want to be, but you could be everything that you already are, and more. Mic drop. Oh my God, thank you. This is so great. We're doing a wave? I love it. A designed team knows what they got, and they know how to use it. So it's a team that knows what winning looks like and intentionally activates its collective strengths to get there. And then you're not hoping for outcomes, you're engineering outcomes. When you make that shift, what do you get? Success. When you don't get to pick your team, you design it. Oh my God. What? That's, oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you so much.